All right, anything I need to know. Let's start with where you hold stress. Where do you hold stress in your body?
Oh shit! In my head, on my shoulders,
Head,
I
neck,
guess.
and shoulders?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Relax the head.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Relax head.
Oh shit!
Oh, yeah. Teeth together for me.
Oh shit!
Oh.
Here, I got you.
Fuck.
Come on.
Oh. Boy, that released something so deep.
Hello, world.
You can stretch every day, but if
Feel
you
like
ain't
a
getting
new
that
man?
spine opened up, you still gonna feel it.
Man, I felt that all everywhere.
Oh, yes, he did.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks for letting me take care of you. Did I earn it with you today?
Have fun.
That's why I came out here.